how to identify good companies ahead of time. And I think this is a valid question, Vetri, because, the market's already at record high levels. To pick up stocks which have already run up so fast and so sharply in a short period of time will be even more challenging. So, how does one go about stock picking in 2024?
I don't think it's a question of how to go about in 2024. I can only share what I think has worked for me personally over many, many years. One is that what you eventually want to buy is a sound business. Don't for a minute forget that just because of all the excitement that you see on screens such as these about stock prices, that you are doing something which is not related to the business. So eventually you want to buy a sound business. My, two factor model to understand what is a good business. It should throw up operating cash flow. Second, it should have a return on capital that is higher than cost of capital. Nobody can run a business if it does not convert profit into operating cash flow, and if it does not convert the reinvested capital in the business at a rate of return higher than cost of capital. So any business has to meet these two simple tests. The only other point that I would add on top of this, because I tend to have a bit of a value streak, I want to buy a good company and a good business, but I love to buy them when the market has started to turn slightly tired about them, it has derated them, or maybe the company is going through some issues which, to my mind, are more short term in nature. They don't change the long term picture. So that's the third element of what drives my investment philosophy. A good business, good operating cash flow, good return on capital, but B, don't buy it when everything is going hunky dory. Try and look for that time when things or the market has a slightly jaundiced view about the future of the business. And if your view has not changed, that actually creates the valuation opportunity in your favor.